How to recall messages in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, on the left side, click on Sent Items. After you click on Sent Items in here, select the mail you want to recall message in. It will open this page. Here at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find Files. Beside Delete, click on Files, and it will lead you to something different page. There, you can simply click on Recall Message, and Recall Message is not available in my device. It will be available in your device beside Delete at the top left in here. You can click on it and recall messages. This is how to recall messages in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.